made it to the beach.
Hi vlog.
I can't see. Yeah, we made it to the beach. Okay, so we went to one beach called Stony Creek. And so we made it there. You have to pay $10 to even get in. So we paid the $10. We pull up to the beach. Why does it say no swimming? Hazard. Swim at your own risk. What? So we were like, we're not gonna take. Oh, there was a bug that landed on me.
We couldn't go because of the crocodile.
There was an alligator seen at Kensington Park, which is further away, but we believe that it
ran by the state or
yeah,
the same people.
Metro Parks, all of it. So yeah, we think there was an alligator or something, or there was something in the water. So we decided to come to another beach, and now we're here. It's peaceful.
This beach has a lot of memories.
Yeah, we came to this beach like every week in 2020, but now we're eating sandwiches because we've been traveling for 2 hours.
The fact that we've been driving for 2 hours.
Yeah, we were just in the water.
She learned how to swim.
Yes, I almost drowned from slipping in the sand though. But I learned how to swim.
We're literally in 2 feet water and she almost died.
It's so funny. Oh my god. See the duck. Duck!
We were doing the cooler and Jasmine throws the Coke bottle in the cooler. It explodes all over the new car. Explodes everywhere. There's Coke everywhere in that car.
I didn't mean to do that.
It somehow didn't get on her. It just got all over me.
It got all over everything actually except me. And I was just
you were standing over it.
And I was like, what just happened? Because it literally got everywhere.
It was bad.
How far will she go is the real question. She's going far. Oh, she's down. Woohoo! She's a mermaid.